if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. 2006 Nissan Elgrand GDM right hand drive. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the front pads and rotors. Let's go. Okay guys, so first of all you want to turn your wheel all the way to the left, so it's gonna be like that, so it's gonna be an easier job. I'm gonna show you guys the parts that we have here. This is from 99 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the front pad. Okay, this is the part number. There you are. And this is from Infinity QX45, I believe. I'll put it in the description because I'm not too sure, but yeah, Q45 Quest, Nissan M45 Q45 Quest, and that is the part number. Alright guys, so for the rotor you're looking at parts from Quest, Q45, M45. For the pads you're looking at the Nissan Pathfinder and some others, but I choose the Nissan Pathfinder. And I'm gonna show you guys the pad real quickly. So the pads came in with squealers on all four. Alright, so I had to remove this one. For the outer pads you're gonna need to remove the squealers. Alright, so that's what I did. I grind it off, now it's off. And also for the inner pads, it doesn't go in nice, easy. You don't want to be forcing the pads to go in. You want it to be like smooth going in, right? Not too loose either. So just, you know, just nice and easy going in. So I grinded it, just grinded the paint off, and this one will slide in easily. Alright, so that's one of the trick there. Okay, just wanted to show you guys, and let's get started. Before I jack the car up, I loosened the nuts already. Now I can use my gun, drive it out, one socket. This is 17. Need to remove this. What I gotta do is like that. Now the original one has this separator spring, alright, but the new pad doesn't have the hole here, so we're not gonna need this anymore. Okay, but I'm gonna keep it in case I get a pad that's has a hole there. Alright, so put that aside. Next like this, remove this. Like so. To remove the brake caliper bracket, 22 socket. There's a washer here, guys. Put the washer back on. Rotor out. so that's how it looks like, guys. So give this a clean. If you have anything for cleaning, get a wire brush or something, right? And then I'm going to show you guys the rotor that I have here. Alright guys, brake bracket is on. I forgot to film it, but anyway, I'll drop the torque spec right here. Alright, so basically it's the reverse procedure on how I removed it. Alright, then you just gotta torque it to the spec that I'm gonna leave right there. And I'm gonna put the brake pad in. Alright, so this is the inner pad with the squealer. Dub dub dub, dab dab dab. Just like that, guys. Okay, so it's all done and it's ready to put back in. I've also brushed the shims here. This is nice and clean. The shim that comes with the with this Rabistus pads, it's not a match. It's not a match with the bracket, so this is basically garbage. All right, so I'm gonna put the brake pad on. Like that, so it went in easily. Front pad in like that, and forgot the step to clean the caliper. I'm just gonna show you guys how that's done. So I'm just gonna basically clean that up. Hang on a second. Alright, so brake cleaner, just like that. Get yourself a rag. Clean the piston, just like this. Clean the boot. Once again. There you go. Nice and clean. Alright, so I haven't pushed the piston back in. I'm gonna do that so in a bit. I'm gonna clean this and put some lubricant. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, you want to put some grease here, just like that, and then just bend this a little bit, so it's gonna go in here tight. So I'm just gonna do that right now. You guys won't be able to see it on the camera. I'm just gonna do it on the ground, give it a bend, and then the middle one just shoots in here, just like so, right? I'll do the same thing on the other side. Sorry guys, I forgot to film that earlier, or I forgot to do it earlier. But basically, here's what you need to do. Remove this just like that. Hope you guys can see that. Just like that, just smear it, you know, not too much. And I'm gonna bend the shim, and then so the middle, so you see that goes in the middle, and then just click it in. All right, so just like that. I have a cell glide here. I'm gonna apply it to this this is the slider pin bolt, like that, like that. Nice. And the caliper, so I'm just gonna smear that all over it. All right. And then when you're putting in the brake caliper, make sure that you don't twist the hose or kink it. And while you're putting it in, you want to keep turning it and push it in just like that. And make sure there's no bubble on the boot. So that's all the way in. All right. So that's good. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm also gonna put this in like that when I'm gonna push it, and I have my thing right here. C-clamp. I'm just gonna press it in. Just like that. So it's going in. There you go. Oops. Got another wipe. Okay. Nice and clean, guys. There you go. Then, just gonna install that. For that, I'm going to smear some here, here, right in the middle, right in the back, where the piston will contact to. Make sure that the hose is not kinked. And you drop it in. So basically, when you're putting it, make sure that you push it toward this way, so there's a clearance to go in between the pads. So that's in. Put the bolt back in. I'll leave the torque spec right here, guys. Alright, so it's all done. I'm going to show you guys the final product here. There it is. So I smear some lubrication here, here, and here on the pads, right? And same on the contact on the inner pad, and that's about that. Alright, it's a wrap, guys. So that's how you do your front pads and rotors replacement. If this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you, guys.